classification of business activities. As we said, business means the production of goods and services for earning money. So, in that definition, you can say business has a two part, production and distribution. The production part of industry we call the production part of business we call industry, and the distribution part we call commerce. So let us learn in detail about industry and its types. Okay, you see the definition. Industry means the production of goods for sale by the application of human or mechanical power. In the sense, by using human or mechanical power, the production of goods for selling into the market to earn money is known as industry. In industry, it changes the form of goods. That means changes the raw material into the form of finished goods, and it also create utility of goods. In the sense, the industry make the goods more useful or give more satisfaction to the goods for using it. Okay, we will see the features. Industry is an economic activity because it is done for earning money. It engaged in production of goods. It has wide scope, meaning goods are produced, many varieties of goods are produced, pin to plane we can say, even from the small pin to aeroplane and rockets, and a variety of number of goods are produced. So wide scope. It creates the utility, that means it increases the satisfaction of the goods for the consumer, and it helps in economic development of the person as well as the country. And industry is the part of the business, production part of business. Let us see the type of industry, the classification of industry on the basis of different basis. On the basis of activity, the industry can be classified into three: primary, secondary, and the tertiary. We will learn first of all about the primary industry. Primary industries are the industries which provide basic raw materials from natural sources as primary industry. Example: plant nurseries, agriculture, mining, etc. Primary industries can be classified into two. They are genetic and extractive. See what is genetic industry. Industry is concerned with the reproducing and the multiplying of certain species of plants and animals for earning money by their sale is known as genetic industry. You can see the example: poultry farm, plant nursery, fish hatcheries, cattle breeding, etc. In all these examples, think about people, the person who are engaged in this type of industries, they reproduce the plants, hen or fish or whatever it is. They help in multiplying and reproducing the animals or plants, and they sell that into the market to earn the money. So genetic industry is concerned with the reproducing and multiplying of plants and animals. And extractive industry, primary industry is a secondary category. Extractive industry, the industries engaged in extracting useful material from the soil, air, water, and from beneath the earth surface. This is called extractive industry. In this industry, products are the gift of the nature, and it is used for making profit. For example, mining, agriculture, oil exploration, quarrying, fishing, etc. are examples of. If you see all these examples, you can see that human is not doing anything to multiply it. They just extract the gift of nature from either from the soil, air, water, or from the beneath of the earth. The main difference between the genetic industry and extractive industry is, in extractive industry, man cannot add anything to the gift what he extract from the nature. But in genetic industry, man adds or multiplies, or we can say reproduce, the nature made gifts. And we will see the secondary industry. Industries which use the material provided by the primary industry. There are also two types, manufacturing and the construction. Secondary industries uses the raw material which are the product of the primary industry, either from genetic industry or from the extractive industry. Any of these primary industries product will be the raw material of secondary industry, and the secondary industry uses that and make a new product. So we can see that industries which use the material provided by primary industries are known as secondary industry.